When Ram heard the news, he wished to honor his father's wishes. He departed to the forest immediately, accompanied by his ever-faithful brother Lakshman and his wife Sita. Walking through the beautiful forest called Nandaka, they found a pleasant spot that had lots of food by a stream. They built a hut and lived happily for 10 peaceful years. One day, Shurpanakha, a terrible demoness and sister of Ravan, was traveling through the forest, and she saw Ram.
I would like to have this man for my husband. Ooh. Hey, Ram, would you like to marry me? I am the most beautiful and most intelligent woman in the whole world. And you are the most handsome man I have ever seen. Looks like God has created us for each other.
But lady, I'm already married. This is my wife, Sita.
Why did you leave her and marry me?
No, woman. No, lady. I would never do that.
Fine then. If you won't marry me, I'll kill your wife.
This terrible demon woman ran to her brother Ravan, the king of Lanka. When he heard her plight, he grew outraged. Furthermore, Shurpanakha told Ravan of Sita's exquisite beauty, and at once the king of the demons desired her to be his wife. Following his desires instead of his brain, Ravan decided to kidnap Sita. He connived with his uncle Marichi, who distracted Ram and Lakshman trying to hunt a golden deer. Ravan disguised himself as a sage and kidnapped Sita. Sita was screaming for help. Ram, please save me. Raghuram, please help me. Raghuraya, please save me. Lakshman returned and found that Sita had been abducted. Ram was filled with sorrow and tried seeking advice of where Sita had disappeared. Finally, he met some monkeys that Sita had dropped her jewelry to. The king of the monkeys, Sugriv, agreed to help them and sent search parties in every direction. Hanuman, a mighty monkey that could do the impossible, went with one of the search groups. He came to Lanka and found Sita. Sita was being tortured, and Ravan was trying to force her to marry him. Sita refused to even look at him. Ravan was frustrated and threatened to kill Sita if she did not agree to marry him within a month. Sita was in deep sorrow and depression, and even tried to kill herself. At this time, Hanuman met her and consoled her.
Dev हृदय विचार दीनी मुद्रिका डारी तब चकित चितव मुदरी पहचानी हर्ष विषाद हृदय अकुलानी
As Hanuman was returning, he decided to teach a lesson to Ravan and the Rakshasas. He burned the whole Lanka down so that they'll be busy rebuilding it rather than torturing Sita. When Hanuman returned to Ram, he told him about Sita's whereabouts. After receiving this news, Ram set out with his monkey army to attack Lanka. When they came to the mighty ocean, the monkey army built a great bridge to Lanka. When they reached it, both sides were ready for war. In Lanka, Ravan's wife Mandodari tried to convince Ravan to return Sita to Ram peacefully, but he would not listen.
Oh, my dear husband, I heard that Lord Ram has built a bridge across the sea, just with the help from monkeys and bears.
Ha, ha, ha! Yes, I heard that too, but that's no big deal.
No usual person can do that. Ram must be an extraordinary person. I heard that he is Lord Vishnu himself, who has come to the earth in the form of a common man.
I'm not afraid of anyone. Remember, I'm a great warrior, and Lord Brahma has given me a boon that no devata can kill me. Besides, I feel several of them. Even my son has defeated Lord Indra. Such a brave husband and brave sons, why are you worried?
I am worried because Hanuman, who came here alone, could not be caught by all your army. Meghnad himself had to go to catch him. If even monkeys and bears in Lord Ram's army are so strong, how strong should he be himself?
You are insane! I can defeat a whole army of humans and monkeys in seconds. My brother, Kumbhakaran, will eat them raw in minutes. They cannot even fight with my sons, let alone myself.
Remember, Brahma gave you the boon that no devata can kill you. But he did not say no man or monkey can kill you. Maybe that's why Lord Vishnu has come to the earth in the form of a common man.
Woman, you are imagining too much. Go inside the house and stop worrying. I will defeat Ram once and for all.
So Ravan went to war with Ram, but he knew in his heart that he cannot defeat Ram. So he worshipped to Lord Shiva But his intentions were not pure, so he did not achieve anything further by worshiping. The armies collided, monkeys and bears against the demons and hideous creatures. There were cries of pain, shouts, screams, and the blood-curdling laugh of the demons. The air was thick with arrows and the ground was soaked with blood. In the midst of this terrible carnage, Ram searched for Ravan. Ram and Ravan fought long and hard for many hours, until Ram, using his divine bow, killed Ravan. The monkeys at the same time defeated the Rakshasa army. Thus, the worst demon of all times was killed. Ram and Sita were united once again. This was the victory of good over evil, and triumph of truth over lies.